こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Today we're going to learn the 10th lesson of hiragana, the last one. The first letter is this one, wa. Wa. The first stroke is this one, this part. Here, not in the center because we must go like this. So a left part of the paper, just the straight line to the down. This is the first stroke. The second stroke is all of this, about the 1/3 of this line, and from the left part, you are going a little bit going up, and you touch this line here, and now you are going again to your left. Then from here, the circle line, the big circle, and you finish. This is the second stroke. And this stroke, you finish upper than here. Not you're going to down. Okay, this one, the ending point of this first line is the more down part than here. So to all here, and you finish, you just let it go. This is wa, W-A sound. Let's compare these two hiraganas. This is wa, today's letter wa. But this one, this ne, very similar, right? The difference is the last part. The first beginning is the first stroke is the same. And the second stroke, really, till here is the same. This is wa, but ne, you must continue. And the other little circle, like this. This was ne. So wa is easier than ne because this is shorter. This is wa and this is ne. These two letters are also quite similar. The first line, the first stroke is just the same, wa and re. And here is the same till here. But from here, the re, de was the straight going up. But here, this is not straight. This is the circular and finish. In the case of re, R-E sound, re, going up, then going down. So the different, this is circle like this, but this is different way, and you jump. This is re, this is wa. So please be careful. Different re, wa. The next hiragana is this one. We pronounce wo, W-N-O sound, wo. But actually, we use this one only for the particle. And when we use for the particle, even we write like this, but the pronunciation is usually o, aiwe o, the same pronunciation as o. But this is used only for the particles. And there's no words that begins with this letter. Even if we don't have any words using this wo, but anyway, we must study because we use a lot of this one in the sentence, in the particle. Well, don't worry, but we must use this one. So let's study how to write. The first stroke is this one, this short line here, this one. You are a little bit going up to the right, and this is quite short line. This is the whole letter O. First line, this one, and the second line is this part. You are going from here and not going just straight down. You must going to your left and a little circle, and you are going down. You are going like this down. Maybe a little bit going to the right side, but to the right and down, diagonal right to the down. This is the second line. Let's see till here, the second stroke. Maybe you think, oh, it's quite similar to chi. This was chi, tachitsuteto, chi. But the difference, the first and second till here is quite similar, chi. But in the case of chi, is more circular here, and you finish. This is chi. But in the case of the second stroke of wo, this is not so big like this, and you're going down. This is the difference with the second stroke of wo and the whole letter chi. You see the difference? And the third, the last line is this one, the last stroke. From here, like circle line like this. It's quite difficult to write beautifully, but please study, please practice. This line is a little bit higher than here, right? A little bit higher. And this is more outside than here. And you're going to your left and small circle and you finish here. And this is not too long. The longest line is this one, okay? So the pronunciation of this letter, when we just look at this one, we say wo. But in the sentence, when there's this one, we pronounce like this. O. The last letter of Japanese alphabet is this one. N sound. This one, and only one stroke. From here, you are going to your left and like this, and till about the center in the middle, you are going back and again like this, and you're going up and finish. This is N sound. Well, it looks like a little bit like H, but the difference is this is the line. This is not straight down. This is diagonal. And also this is like diagonal. Okay? And the last part, you must going up. Actually, you learned all letters hiragana, so you can read any letters. Well, reading practice. The first one, yo, wa, I. Yowai. Yowai. This means weak. Not strong, weak. Yowai. This is adjective. Yowai. Second one, 2番目。強い。強い。This is just the contrary. 強い. It means strong. Strong. This is also E adjective. Strong. 強い。3番目. The third. Well, here there's the sunshine here. わたし。私。私 means I. Me. Myself. 私。4番目. The fourth. まんが。漫画。You know, 漫画。Japanese comics. 漫画。5番目. The fifth one. おみず。Well, not this one. This one. す and 点々。お水. This is water. お水. You can omit o and only 水 is also okay. 水. But with o, this is more polite way. お水. Water. The sixth. 6番目。時計。とけい. In the pronouns 時計. A longer sound here. 時計. 時計, it means watch. Watch. What time is it now? Watch. 時計。7番目。The seventh. 天気。天気。天気. This is weather. Weather like shiny, cloudy, rainy. 天気. Weather. The ninth. Quite long word. There are four. ぴつ。鉛筆。鉛筆. Well, 鉛筆, it means pencils. Pencils. 鉛筆. The ninth. 9番目。みかん。みかん. Delicious fruit. みかん. Mandarin. みかん. In Japan, we eat lots of みかん。みかん。みかん。10番目。最後です。The 10th, the last one. おわり。終わり。終わり。The end. 終わり. Today we've learned the last three letters of hiragana. Wa, wo, waon. So you've learned all 46 Japanese alphabets. To remember the order, we say like this. Akasatana, hamayarawa. Akasatana, hamayarawa. It means a from aiueo, ka, kakikukeko, sa, sashisuseso, ta, tachitsuteto, na, naninune no, akasatana ha, ha, hahifuheho, ma, mamimume mo, akasatana hama, ya, yayuyo, la, larirurero, wa, wo, They are all 46 letters. The next is gonna be katakana. If you think these writings are useful for you, please don't forget to give me like. And if you can share my videos with your friends, that will help me a lot. If you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it so that you can receive all my videos and you can learn Japanese with me. 今日も私と一緒に頑張ってくれてどうもありがとう。次はカタカナです。頑張りましょうね。このビデオが気に入ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタンお願いします。そして私のチャンネルに登録なさっていなかったら、ぜひお願いします。そして私のビデオをお友達にシェアしていただけたらとても嬉しいです。お願いします。ではまた次のビデオでお会いしましょう。じゃあねー。